mystery. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. You got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. Welcome to our new home here in Georgia. Yes, we made it to Georgia, and I am so elated, you guys. I am so happy. So this is my first cleaning video in our new home, and I am so excited about it. So I'm just going to be tackling the kitchen today and our downstairs bathroom, and just kind of tidying up a little bit and getting some cleaning done. So make sure that you are subscribed. If this is your first time here, welcome. Subscribe, hit that bell for new notifications, and I hope that this video inspires you and motivates you to get cleaning, do something in your home today that you've been putting off because of life, because y'all know life definitely be lifing. And let's get cleaning and get motivated together.
Somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you.
So I guess I'm going to give you guys a little bit of an update here while we clean together. So if you don't know, if you are not on my main channel, my kids and I, we just relocated here about a week and a half ago from New York, and I am currently going through a divorce with my ex-husband. And wow, that sounds so crazy to say. I can't even believe I just said that, but that's my reality. But and so my brother has offered to take my children and I in, you know, for as long as we need to be here. And it's been an emotional roller coaster, but it also has been so good and so refreshing as well. We are settling in, you know, really nicely, and Georgia has always just been a place in my heart, but even more so now because all my family is here, and I am just so excited to be here. My kids are settling in really well, and just getting, you know, everybody acclimated to living in an all year round warmth, which I'm so excited about and looking forward to, especially in the winters, because if y'all don't know, New York winters are extremely brutal, especially where I was living, literally 4 hours from Canada. So it's extremely brutal, and I am just so happy to finally be in a warm climate. And so I just wanted to kind of bring you guys up to speed. This is our new norm. This is our, you know, living arrangements for now, and we are definitely looking forward to having our, you know, own space and soon, and you know, finding a home for my kids and I. But for right now, we're kind of just going to take it easy and just, enjoy what God has so provided for us. He's just been extremely amazing, and I am so grateful for him and to him and his provisions and allowing my kids and I to be here with my brother. It's just been such a sweet time. So just wanted to bring you guys up to speed.
Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it bite, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why.
So let me know down in the comments section, what are you guys working on today? What chore are you guys tackling today? The downstairs is just, this is where we are most of the times. And, I just wanted to kind of tackle this because, like I said, we are in this space 99% of the time, and we're watching, TV. My kids are downstairs and we're eating and we're talking, and my daughter Nyla is all running all over the place. So it gets a lot of foot traffic, and so there was a lot of crumbs on the floor and just, dirty dishes everywhere, and just y'all know when you have kids and messy adults, this is what it is. So I actually I enjoyed cleaning this home. It's a 1-family home and a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, and I am enjoying cleaning it. I don't know why, but it's so much easier to clean than my previous home. And my previous home was larger in footprint, but it's so much easier to clean, and it has more rooms. I don't know. It seems weird, but it's so much easier to clean. I don't know if it's because it's newer, or whatever the case may be. I don't know, but I really enjoyed cleaning this space, and I know that I'm going to enjoy cleaning it, in the future as well. So let me know what you guys are tackling today, what space you're going after, and what is your least favorite chore to do. My least favorite chore is the bathroom. I absolutely dislike it, but it has to get done, so somebody's got to do it.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one.
So now I am just mopping the floors. If you guys hear snoring in the background, that's my daughter Nyla. I'm in the room with her, and so she's sleeping because it's like 4 a.m. in the morning that I'm doing this voiceover, because that's the only time I can do it, you guys. It's so noisy throughout the day, so the only time I can get to do this. So I'm just going ahead and I'm just mopping, the house throughout, and I love using this method cleaner. It smells incredible. It's like the floor cleaner is so safe, so good for your floors. And I just love using it on my floors, and it just smells incredible. So that's what I'm doing now.
I see no reason why I should ever let you go.
So this is what the main area is looking like, all clean. And now I am going to be tackling the bathroom because it's a task. I don't think it's that bad, you know, but it just needed to be cleaned and, you know, just straightened up a little bit. There's not much in there. My brother's house is pretty much a bachelor pad because he lives alone. So it's not really much, but this is the main area and this is what it looks like. By the way, those pots, it's basically breakfast that's inside. I cooked them and my kids didn't get to eat yet, so they're gonna be on the stove all day probably. So this is what the main area is looking like after all that cleaning.
I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. No, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you, I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know, I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do.
So a little sidebar, I noticed the windows. I don't know if it's like this in Georgia because it's warm and all the bugs, but it was so many flies, you guys, so many flies. So I went ahead and I sprayed it down and I cleaned the windowsills because they were horrible. So I went ahead and did that because I hate flies. My brother, he hates flies, so he kills them all over the house. It's like my son too. They kill them all over the house and then they don't clean them. So I'm just, you know, bracing the task of cleaning all the dead flies and all the dead bugs that was sitting on this windowsill. It was really bad, you guys. So I'm glad that I got that done.
I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. When you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you, I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know, I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. You got me wrapped around your finger. Tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without.
So I typically like to clean my glass or my mirrors with water. I use Windex as well, but the Windex was upstairs and I didn't feel like going up the steps for it. So I typically just try to use water, and the water actually works. It leaves a streak-free shine on the mirrors. So this is what the bathroom looks like, and my next task to tackle is going to be laundry. So not a lot of laundry. I've been really good at doing the laundry daily. I try to do at least one load a day, and it's really helping to keep the laundry at bay. So it's not a lot of loads, so I'm just going to go ahead, throw this in the washer, and call it done. So I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope that you were motivated and inspired to get something somewhere, some room in your home clean, something that you've been wanting to tackle on your to-do list for a while, or if you just wanted to hang out with me today and, just watch me clean my dirty house. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Oh, baby, without I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way